9 tips on how to stop overthinking.
1. Practice mindfulness and live in the present moment.
2.
Challenge your negative thoughts and replace them with positive ones. 3. Set specific time limits for decision-making to avoid overanalyzing. 4. Engage in physical activities or hobbies to distract yourself from overthinking. 5. Practice deep breathing exercises to calm your mind and reduce anxiety. 6. Talk to a trusted friend or therapist about your thoughts and feelings. 7. Write down your thoughts in a journal to gain perspective and clarity. 8. Focus on what you can control and let go of things beyond your control. 9. Practice self-care and prioritize your mental health by getting enough rest and relaxation. I hope these tips help you in managing your overthinking.
Thank you for watching the video. Please like, subscribe, share.